Have you ever asked yourself how peanut butter is made? Stay until the end of the video to see the special ingredient. Welcome, dear viewers, to our journey into the delicious realm of peanut butter. Today we're peeling back the lid on the entire process, from selecting the perfect peanuts to the final swirl of that creamy, nutty goodness. We'll even reveal a special ingredient that might just surprise you. Ready to embark on this nutty adventure? Buckle up, because here we go. The magic of peanut butter begins with the peanuts themselves. The heart of our beloved spread lies in these humble legumes. The selection process is crucial as it sets the foundation for the taste and quality of the butter. We hunt for the freshest, high-quality peanuts, ensuring they're free of any blemishes or signs of spoilage. Once we've selected the best of the best, we move on to preparation. This involves a thorough cleaning to remove any dirt or foreign matter. Next, we shell the peanuts, discarding the husks and saving those precious kernels inside. Our peanuts then take a trip to the roaster where they're gently heated to bring out their natural, earthy flavor. The roasting process also helps to loosen the skins, which are then removed in a process called blanching. Now that we have our perfectly prepared peanuts, it's time to get to the grinding. Turning peanuts into butter sounds like a magic trick, right? But it's just simple science. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, the grinding process. This is where the real transformation occurs, the metamorphosis of humble peanuts into the rich, creamy paste we all love. At first, the peanuts are fed into a grinding machine. It's not unlike a giant food processor, really, but with a lot more power. The machine uses high-speed rotating blades to pulverize the peanuts. As the blades spin, the peanuts are broken down, releasing their natural oils, but it's not a one-shot process. To achieve that perfect smooth consistency, the peanuts have to go through multiple rounds of grinding. Each round breaks the peanuts down a little more, releasing more oil and creating a smoother and smoother paste. Now let's talk about the heat. The friction created by the grinding process generates heat, which actually plays a crucial role in the final product. This heat helps to further break down the peanuts and release more of their oils, contributing to the creamy texture of the final product. And finally, let's not forget about the role of patience. It takes time to transform those crunchy little peanuts into a smooth and creamy paste. But as with many good things in life, the wait is worth it. So we've transformed our peanuts into a smooth paste, but we're not done yet. The final touch is yet to come. Remember the special ingredient we mentioned in the beginning? Well, it's time for the big reveal. The secret to a lip-smacking peanut butter is a touch of honey. Yes, you heard it right, honey. This natural sweetener doesn't just add a touch of sweetness to our beloved spread, but also lends a unique depth of flavor, elevating the humble peanut to new gastronomic heights. Now, you might wonder why we choose honey. Well, aside from its delicious taste, honey is a natural preservative. This means it helps keep our peanut butter fresh for longer. And let's not forget, honey is also a healthier alternative to refined sugars, making our peanut butter not just tasty, but also a little bit healthier. So there you have it, the secret ingredient to our peanut butter, a dash of honey. With our special ingredient mixed in, our peanut butter is finally ready. But wait, there's one more thing we need to do. The last step in our peanut butter journey is ensuring it reaches you fresh and tasty. Once our creamy or crunchy butter has been prepared, it's time for packaging. The peanut butter is piped into jars which have been sterilized to keep out any unwanted bacteria. A lid is firmly screwed on to create an airtight seal, preserving that delightful peanutty flavor. But we're not done yet. Each jar then undergoes a final quality check to ensure it's up to scratch, because we know how much you value your toast topping delicacy. Only then is it ready to be shipped out, destined for your breakfast table. And there you have it. The journey from peanut to butter has come to an end. So, the next time you enjoy a spoonful of peanut butter, you'll know exactly how it was made. From careful peanut selection to the addition of that special ingredient, it's a fascinating process. Why not try making your own at home? Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.